Hello viewers, so welcome as we solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So at the end of this video, I know you shall gain a lot. So let's start with the solution. So in this solution, we have 8 to the power of x, then plus 8 to the power of x is equals to 32. As you can see, 8 to the power of x and 8 to the power of x is common. Then now we need to factorize it by having 8 to the power of x can also be written as 8 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 32. Simply because when we open this bracket, we shall have 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x. So the next step that we do, we work out the number inside the bracket. So we shall have 8 to the power of x. Then we close the bracket. 1 plus 1 we shall have is 2 is equals to 32. So from here now, we shall be forced to divide both sides by 2. So that we remain with 8 to the power of x. So here by 2, this side also by 2. So now we shall now have 8 to the power of x, because 2 and 2 shall have cancelled, is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 32, 16. So is equals to 16. So it's difficult for us to express 16 to the root of 8. So we shall now introduce the log. So now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of x is equals to the log of 16. So the log of 8 to the power of x can also be written as x log 8. So x log 8 is equals to log 16. So once we've reached that stage, so we want to remain with x on this end. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 8. This side also by the log of 8. So now the log of 8 and the log of 8 shall cancel. So when it cancels, now we shall remain with x on that other end, which is equals to the log of 16 all over the log of 8. So we can still go ahead and simplify or factorize the log of 16. So x is equals to the log of 16 can also be written as the log of 2 multiplied by 8, because 2 multiplied by 8 gives us 16. So this one all over the log of 8. So from there now we arrange it by now having, say that now x is equals to, let's now split, x equals to the log of 2 all over the log of 8. Then in this case our multiplication shall now change to addition as a result to the law that have on logarithm. So plus now the log of 8 all over the log of 8. So now we shall now say that x is equals to the log of 2 all over the log of 8. Then here now plus, so the log of 8 and the log of 8 shall cancel. So then now we shall have plus 1. So we still don't stop here, we proceed and now have, we can still rearrange this problem by now saying x equals to 1 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 8. Now, so we all know that suppose we have the log a all over log b. So in this case, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So I want us to rewrite the log of 2 all over the log of a into the form of the log of a to the base of b. So in this case, we shall now say that our x is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall have the log 2 to the base a to the base of 8. So now this one now shall be our value of, x. So if you happens to get this one as the value of x, you got it in the correct way. So you can also check or confirm our result. So we had 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equals to 32. So in this case, instead of x, shall write 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8. So in this case now we have 8 to the power of 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, then plus again 8 to the power of 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8 should give us 32. So now how do we go about this one? Now we have 8 to the power of 1. 8 to the power of 1 is the same as having 8 multiplied by 1, which is 8. So the sign addition shall now change to the multiplication. So log to the base 8 shall cancel with this 8. Now we shall remain with 2. Then here again plus 8 to the power of 1, we shall have 8. Then 8 to the power of 1 is 8. Then in this case, our plus shall now change to the multiplication. So the log to the base of 8 shall cancel with this 8. Now shall remain with 2, which is equals to 32. So from there now we shall have 8 times 2, which is 16, plus 16 should give us 32. So in this case, 16 plus 16 is 32, is equals to 32. So in this case, we are correct when we now conclude and say that the value for x is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 to the base of 8. So that one have our answer clearly solved. So if you really like how we have solved this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. So also, most importantly, like the video and also share to others so that they can get this knowledge. So otherwise, let's stop there and see you in our next video. Bye bye.